How to block Find My on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. You can adjust settings for the screen, sound, wireless connections, etc., and manage your accounts, apps, and notifications to create a personalized user experience. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. Over here, scroll down and go to Find My as shown. On this page, tap on Find My iPhone at the top. This feature helps to locate, lock or erase this device and supported accessories. Here, turn off the Find My iPhone switch. Following these steps, you can easily block Find My on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.